Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block and unblock email address in Gmail account. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Gmail account. So this is our email. So we are going to block email address first and then we are going to unblock. Now scroll up and then you see more option. So click on it. And then you see multiple option. Now select block, so click on it and then you see pop-up, block this email address. Future messages from this email address will be marked as spam, so click on block. Now you see email address blocked. You have blocked this email address. New messages from this sender will be sent to spam. If you want, you can unblock sender, or there is another option to unblock sender. Now on top you see settings, so click on it. And then you see all settings, so again click on it. Now setting open and then you see filter and block addresses, so click on it. And then you see the following email addresses are blocked. Messages from these addresses will appear in spam. Now you see, so we are going to unblock, so click on it. Again you see pop up, unblock this email address, so click on unblock. Now you see unblocked email address. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.